on the table. That's
He has gone to work.
How can you ask the question?
He has to go to work. That's why we are here. We are not as lazy as Nigerians there. He has to go to work and pay his bills.
Yeah, we're
No,
man.
So we have to step aside.
No. We are listening. It's not the question is not for him only.
Can you listen to me?
Now, first and foremost,
Yes.
listen down. Sir Jason came here and said, your government. It is our government.
Yes.
And
Okay.
I'll tell you something, and I'll speak as a woman, as a mother. You talk about unity and all that. We're stronger together. However, nothing is compulsory. We want to do it eventually in peace, progress, and with sincerity.
Yes.
Of purpose. There's no government who will want his children or her children to be killed senselessly. The issue of judicial killings have been looked into. And it's not only in Adama, we've had other cases. The report of the sheriff report just came out. So I don't want to, because it's a question they didn't want to be answered anyway. But I'll tell you something. Let us think with our brains. When you talk about the US congressman, that US congressman, have you asked yourself what agenda he's following? Look at what he wrote. Kerry just left Nigeria. Kerry will answer him. You should have asked his own American consulate in Nigeria. You know, and I don't want us to always have this complex about ourselves. A US congressman cannot decide your future. Your future will be decided by you. And only Nigerians can make Nigeria greater again.
Say that again.
And that's really not good.
Let any US congressman, you see, they keep ridiculing you and you accept it. You know, let us take our pride of place as Nigerians. Let us tell them, this is who we are. We are the brightest and the greatest. And we have a leader. We don't all have to like him. Under whom we have the opportunity to excel. You have a president who will not steal your money. You have a president who has not stolen your money.
No way.
How can
Whichever way, unity of Nigeria is in our hands. It's in all our hands.
Is that why he's
but the
killing
people-
youth?
No,
Is that why he's killing young people?
No extrajudicial killing. That case has been investigated, and it will be investigated. But I tell you
It's not
something.
being investigated. It's not being investigated.
The government has been indicted for that.
Okay.
The government has been indicted for that. So, what the heck?
Can't kill unarmed youth. Unarmed youth. You can't kill them.
The government is already indicted for that.
My brother, I don't think what he did is right. He asked the question and left. In Parliament,
We waited 3 hours. We waited 3 hours.